Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the GGB Supplier Showcase. My name is Jess Marquez, and I am so pleased to be joined today by a fresh face, Ranjit Kumar, Technical Project Manager for Chetu. How are you doing today, sir?
I'm doing good. Hi, Jas. Good morning. This is Ranjit. I'm working as a technical project manager with Chetu. I have been with the organization for 16 years and I work from our Chicago office.
Nice, nice. So I want to get a little bit into Chetu as a company to start off with because viewers of this space might not be familiar with the name because you guys are not exactly a gaming centric company. And I like to do these type of episodes because I feel like it's nice to have outside perspectives and people who are not entrenched in gaming 24/7, 365. So it's nice to get some outside perspective. So if you could kind of give us a brief kind of overview of the company and kind of what industries it serves and where it's located and such, and yeah, just a brief overview of Chetu.
Absolutely. Founded in 2000, Chetu is a global software development solution and support service provider. Chetu's specialized technology and industry experts serve startups, SMBs, and Fortune 5000 companies with an unparalleled software delivery model suited to the need of our clients. Chetu's one-stop shop model spans the entire software technology spectrum. Headquarters is in Sunrise, Florida. Chetu has 14 locations throughout the US, UK, and in India. Chetu has more than 2,800 industry-specific software developer, which means when a gaming company like a casino game comes to us with a problem, we use software developers trained in casino gaming software. If we need to add artificial intelligence module to the software solution, we use developers who are AI experts. In the past 23 years, Chetu has had over 7,000 global customers, developed more than 20,000 application and won over 150 prestigious awards.
So you touched on a few things there that I kind of want to go through in a little bit more detail, but I want to start with the kind of the customer collaboration process because as I understand, you guys make custom software solutions and not necessarily just off the shelf products. So what exactly does that process entail and kind of the various step by steps?
When a new client reach out to Chetu, we set up a technical call to determine what the client wants and discuss how we build the software solution. Each step along the way, we keep the client updated. With 2,800 plus on-demand software developers, we also can increase or decrease the size of the client's dedicated team at any point of time in the software development life cycle. So sometime if we need to take a speed, we can onboard more developers. And if the customers want to slow down, we can roll up a few resources and continue with a smaller team. If we build a software solution from a ground up, the clients own the software code and intellectual property. After finishing the project, they can use the software intellectually or package it as a product to sell. They own 100% of it.
Wow, that sounds like some pretty full service there. So speaking about gaming specifically, what kind of what to date, kind of what kind of softwares and what kind of project have you guys developed for casino gaming in particular?
A lot. Uh, the gaming industry include many sectors, including sweepstake, online casino, land-based casinos, sports betting, fantasy sports, uh, lottery platform, sports book, and many, many more. We have trained software developers in each of these areas. Why do I point this out? You can hire very good programmers, but they might need to gain experience in all the various gaming sector. With us, you get tech expert with experience building gaming software solution. Uh, Within the Chetu's gaming software includes developing software solution for standards and mobile gaming, land-based casinos, online casinos, sports betting, sports-oriented platform, lottery platform, sweepstakes system, both online and land-based sweepstakes system. This could include mobile, tablet, kiosk-based, EGM-based, and many different target devices. Developing popular games like slot, bingo, poker, payment integration systems, RNG modules involved in the gaming, and customized security features, they all are included. Integrating primary and secondary databases in the data security is our expertise, and random number generator, that is also called RNG integration solution, which includes integration application with all four major casino player tracking system like IGT, Aristocrat, Konami, and Belize. We have done with them.
Well, that's very impressive. And, I can tell you personally that a lot of the conversations that I have with basically any kind of company within gaming almost always comes back to, online and mobile gaming of some kind, of some sort. So these are definitely services that are going to be even more in need as time goes on. Broadly speaking, are the majority of your gaming clients U.S. based or UK based, or is it a mix, or what's generally is the client mix there?
So we serve across the globe. So
Oh, okay. Wow.
many of the customer are from US. We have customer from Europe, Africa. I mean, all over the world. We have developed gaming platform for Asian customers, Hong Kong, uh, Singapore, Australia, everywhere.
Wow. And do you have your development teams, are they usually located within those countries, or are they just kind of wherever they need be?
So both. So we have two different model. We provide developers on site, that is in a specific client locations as well, and we have offshore uh, development team as well. So in offshore model, we provide an on-site technical project manager from someone from the client's near to the client's office, and our development team is back in India.
Okay. Okay. Wow. So another thing that you mentioned that I want to hear a little bit more about was, obviously you mentioned artificial intelligence, which not not even specifically within gaming, but that is probably one of the top topics of conversation just in our society right now in general. So with regard to the casino gaming software, how are you seeing gaming implementing AI, or how are you guys implementing AI for gaming?
Absolutely. AI is a new trending buzzword. We utilize artificial intelligence and the latest technologies such as machine learning, uh, natural language processing in more than 40 industries that we work with, including the gaming sector as well. Numerous areas of the casino's operation can be automated through the AI and improve efficiency and can cut expenses. AI improves customer service where workers can answer uh, inquiries more efficiently by evaluating data and suggesting a solution based on the AI analysis. The ability for casinos to analyze data to access the likelihood uh, of a player being. Uh, Evaluates and makes sense of the you know unstructured data, and they gather and then offer recommendation and insight based on that analysis. Specific in casino, AI have been improving customer experience. AI and machine learning technology can customize your homepage with the games you like more. This is done seamlessly. Um, Casino bots can handle questions, problems, and sounding just like human, but much faster. Um, AI technology can also spot cheaters and fraud more easily than the human by analyzing their pattern. AI software can recognize the behavior of cheater and then inform the casino owners. AI protects the legitimate gamers as well from the cheaters.
So with regard to, fraud protection and cybersecurity and things like that, do you guys implement any, features or any services? What's your guys' take there?
So related to the cyber security, we use many different cryptographic algorithms to secure the data communication between different, modules, be it from mobile to the server or between two server or two databases communicating with each other. So cryptography is the key that solves the purpose.
Definitely, definitely. And as of we were talking before we got online, but you recently completed a project that you'd like to talk about.
Oh yeah, I mean, I would like to talk about one of the sports betting solution that we developed recently. We worked on SWX technology. They are from Washington DC, based tech startup working to revolutionize the mobile sports wagering by applying the same ethos of securities and commodities trading to all wagers. Sports bettors can purchase and sell wagers like stocks on an exchange. So SWX technology needed to roll out their mobile sports wagering application to offer users a new and engaging way to wager on sports. Chetu's next level sports betting app development team worked to create a custom mobile app for SWX technology. This is compatible with iOS, Android for players, along with the web application for operators, that is back office application. Chetu's expert level developers worked to create fully customized mobile app for SWX technology. Chetu created mobile application for both iOS and Android platform through a hybrid technology called Flutter. Web application development comprised Chetu working within the latest web technology like Bootstrap, JavaScript, HTML5, etc. And they target the latest browser of Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Safari. Chetu conducted mobile player QA testing for both Android, iOS, and web technology to ensure that the product is a quality product.
Well, that sounds extremely innovative, and knowing, I followed the DC sports betting market for my newsletter for a little while now, and I hope that that this can help us free up some of the log jams that they're experiencing there for a while now. This is the last one that I got for you, and thank you again so much for joining me today. But we have obviously the G2E show coming up here pretty soon. What are you guys prepared for the show? What do you expect to, what are your expectations? Just G2E in general, what are you expecting?
Very excited. First of all, I am going to the GTE show, and having exhibited at G2E for several years, we love interacting with gaming executives who want to reach to next level in the gaming industry, and we get the opportunity to talk to many gaming executives about their technical needs, and so we hope to meet a lot of executives there.
Well, if the conversation that we've touched on today, most of the major points that are top of mind for a lot of them right now. So I would assume that your guys will be very busy and have a lot of meetings and conversations for sure. So Ranjit, thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing the future for Chetu and you personally. And again, thank you for coming on. I really appreciate it.
Thank you for joining us for the GGB Gaming Supplier Showcase, our exclusive look at the best products and services produced by vendors for the gaming, iGaming, and sports betting industries. For more information about the GGB Supplier Showcase, contact Terry Brady at tbrady@ggbmagazine.com.